Hello everyone, in this video I will going to demonstrate the process for creating leased in and leased out contracts in the system for equipment. This will be a login screen. Here you will going to provide the email address, like here I am providing the email address of an employee. In password you will going to give the password. Now click on login button in order to log in into ERP. After login, navigate to equipments, then click on equipment contracts, which is a menu of equipments. Now click on lease and contract. In order to create new lease and contract in the system, just click on create button. As soon as you will click on create button, a form will open here. Here in contract details form, in vehicle you will going to select the vehicle name for which you are creating the contract. If there is any recurring cost amount for this particular contract, you will select the type. For example, it is for daily, weekly or monthly. Here you will going to select the recurring cost. If there is no recurring cost, select it as no. Here you will going to give the odometer reading at the time of creation of this particular contract. What is the kilometer and what is the hour. Here you will going to select the vendor. Here you will going to see the contractor name will come by default. You can change the contractor name according to your requirement. Here you will going to select the contract reference, and here you will going to enter the invoice reference. Here you will going to enter the included services. Just click on add an item button. For example, here I am selecting as repair and maintenance. Here you will going to give the description for this particular service, and here you will going to provide the indicative cost for this particular service. Any terms and condition related to this particular lease and contract you will give here. In generated recurring cost, you will going to enter the recurring cost for this particular vehicle. If you have selected here the recurring cost as daily, weekly or monthly. If there is no recurring cost for this, you will no need to select here anything. If there is any recurring cost, you will going to select the recurring cost. You will just click on add an item. You will select the particular date, and here you will going to enter the price. After filling all the details in the system, just click on save button. In order to close the contract, you will click on close contract button. If you want to renew this contract, just click on renew contract button. This is how you will going to do the configuration of lease in contract in the system. In order to do the configuration of leased out contract in the system, just click on leased out contract, and here you will going to click on create button. Similarly, a form will open here. Here you will going to select the vehicle name. For example, I am selecting the vehicle name as it is. If there is any recurring income from this particular leased in contract, leased out contract, you will select from here. And if you will select the recurring cost is weekly, you will going to provide the amount here. Here you will going to provide the invoice date, contract start date, expiration date. Here you will going to select the customer name. Here you will going to select the contractor name, and here you will provide the contract reference. Here you will going to provide the odometer details at the creation of this leased out contract. If there is any service included for this particular lease or contract, you will mention over here by clicking on add an item button. Here you will provide the cost. If there is any recurring income, you will going to enter here by clicking on add an item. You will select the date and the price on that date. Now, after filling all the details in the system, just click on save button. Please note the fields which are in blue are the mandatory ones. This is how you will going to create lease or contract in the system.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos, and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.